Absolute versus the relative cells, or we can say the relative reference. Absolute versus the relative reference. What is that? For example, I have these data, I have this data items. These items are the Vivo, Mac, Oppo, for example, I have taken them. And these products having the different amount at the different locations. Simply a normal data set I am having. What I want is, I want to understand what are the relative reference, absolute reference, and for row and column both. So for example, the same data I want to take a reference or want to copy here. So how you can do? Simply double equals to double click on this cell and equals to sign and select this value and hit enter. When you select this, you will see I am getting the same value. I am able to reference this value here. Now if I select this and drag to this and below, so you can see I am getting the same values as these are here. With the same reference I am getting the same values. So how I am able to get these values? Because these are related to this, means that I am getting the reference of this data from this. So this is known as the relative reference. Now what is the absolute reference? Absolute reference is that when you select and double click, select this, and this time what I can do is I need to go to here on formula bar and select this value, and with your computer or a laptop press a function and F4 key. You will see I have put it the dollar sign in front of the cell number, row number, column number, and the column and the rows with the dollar. Now this dollar sign will fix the entire reference. You will see I am getting only one value, which means I have fixed my data with this cell only, because I want this value to be inserted everywhere. So for in that case I need to put the dollar sign both in front of column and in front of row. So this is how it is the absolute reference in by the row and column both. Now if you want to get the value, but this time you want to fix the column only, then put the dollar sign in front of column only and click enter. When you select this, drag here and drag down, you will see we are getting the row value, entire row, means that I have fixed this first value here, and the rest of them I am getting only these values. So this is known as the absolute reference by column. I have fixed the column. This is by row. Similarly, select this and this time fix the row, column only, this dollar sign, and hit enter. You will see I'm getting these different value, but rest of the things I will also get these values only. So these are known as the absolute versus relative cells. This concept is important because when we will be dealing with VLOOKUP or the lookup formulas, then the importance of this relative versus absolute cells you can experience. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.